Yes, so my country people, I throw away salute. Arsenal 2 and Fulham 2. And we get Oga Ben, we be Ogbonge Arsenal fan and football fan. Make come tell us about how you see this game. Oga Ben, just like you, may I be Arsenal fan too, and I did disappointed with this result. But make country people hear from you. How you see your team performance for today match?
My country people agree to now. Arsenal form around today. Arteta, the lineup when is set today, as I see her, I know saying a disaster lineup now it be. But at a time, we go manage the 1 point on we see.
So I want to ask you about some players' performance for this game because I've been sitting down near that section where some Arsenal fans I hear some things when they talk. How you see Gabriel Martinelli and Kai Havertz' performance for today match?
I bet Kai Havertz, me and not talk about that guy again. I don't know as he even take come Arsenal in the first place. Now Chelsea rejects. Since when I sabi Chelsea never say better player give Arsenal. Havertz not go be the first. But make we call look am again. Not be only Havertz na him play the game. Coach when put am for the game, himself suppose don read the first 2 games when he play. Say Havertz not dey perform for the game. You know, I not see reason why he go bench Gabriel take play Havertz, come go put Partey for defense, e no go well.
So to you, that right back when in they use for this in setup when they use Thomas Partey they play, then sometimes Thomas Partey go drift enter midfield. You know like him as Arsenal fan.
E no just go well at all. Partey no play well for that side. We all know say Partey na dey play as a defensive midfielder.
So, but I want to ask you about Arsenal next game now. Arsenal next game will be against Manchester United, tough team. Team when be like say they give Arsenal a headache, Arsenal they give them a headache too. So, but how you dey see that game as Arsenal fan? What do you dey expect your team to do differently from what they do today, and what be your score prediction for that match?
Sincerely, if na this same lineup so wey dem use today against Fulham, na dem set that day, na disaster na e go be. Because Man U go utilize the opportunity. Fulham run us well for back. Na God na him save us. If we use this same lineup, e go dey bench the kind players dem when e dey bench, then na disaster. I go predict if na this same lineup, I go predict 2-1 in favour of Man U. But if e change lineup, then I go predict say Arsenal fit win the game 2-1.
So, Gabriel, I go ask you about Arsenal transfer business now. We don't see the players we come in, like Urian Timber, we get injury, Kai Havertz coming to, Declan Rice coming. So far as Arsenal fan, the business where Arsenal don't do, if you want rate them from 1 to 10, where you go rate that business put for the transfer window?
I go rate Arsenal for transfer window this season for 8. The only error when did that transfer window, so when I see so far, na be Kai Havertz. But as matter don be so, waiting but don't get injury. My advice na make dem quick enter market, buy players, because as the matter stand now, Tierney dey go Real Sociedad. Gabriel dey on the verge to go Saudi Arabia.
But Mikel Arteta dey deny all those matters as per Gabriel.
If you like make e deny am, once dem don conclude, we go know. Another player wey na for like make e remain for Arsenal, na him be Folarin Balogun wey be our own pikin for here, wey dem wan carry go Monaco. So Chelsea sef don dey shook head say dem wan buy am. So my advice na make dem quick enter market, find replacement. We need defender, we need attack, we need midfield. I know say Arsenal no go fit buy the theory, but make we buy 2 inside, at least defense and attack. Our midfield we fit manage for there.
At all, if na only one player they go fit bring, which position you go like make they bring the player come? Because you don't got 3 positions now. Which one you go believe say na dey important pass?
If they go bring player come, so I believe say we still need to strengthen our defense very well. That place na one place when e be say, if you watch last season so, as Saliba get injury, na Arsenal to lose league. So we need work on that defense. Because we all know say Arsenal na injury team. By the time we don dey play dey go, injury go set in. Na injury we take start this season already. With almost 10 players for injury, they don dey come back small small. Hopefully they go come back before we go play our major games then. and we go survive.
Talking about injuries and players where they come back now, if I will let you go, Oga Ben, Arsenal not get one player we come back today. We see he play a few minutes for this game. Gabriel Jesus. You think say Gabriel Jesus go be boost for Arsenal going into that game against Manchester United?
It go be boost if he starts the game. If they go start and with players then like Zichenko, start and with players then like Odegaard, make e not start Martinelli that day abeg. Martinelli not get wetin he dey do for team for me now. Na rubbish na he just dey dey play so. If he bring am in as sub for Trossard, but make he start Trossard, play with Saka and Gabriel Jesus for that day.
All right now, Oga Ben, thank you for your time.